Good morning, everybody, and it's a bright, beautiful day here in South Louisiana. It's almost the end of the year, and it's like 65 degrees out. Lovely. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil monitoring on a 2016 Ford Explorer. So if you're interested in that, stick around. Thanks. As in all these Fords, you have a cursor to move around in the screens. So I'm going to be using these and calling out whether I'm going left, right, up, down, or okay. So, all right, to walk you through how to reset the oil, as I said, there is the cursor, left, right, up and down, and okay. So right now I am in fuel economy. Hit the left, and then you want to scroll down. So you go down, the down arrow, 1, 2, settings, then right arrow, vehicle right arrow, oil life reset, which is what it's on, then right arrow, and it says percent oil life is 100%, which is because I just changed the oil and I already reset it, and then I said, shit, I better show everybody else how to reset it. So then you hit OK, hold it down, and bam, you're back at 100. So if you have any questions on how this works, please put them in the comments below. It's pretty simple. I just make it simple for everybody to understand where it's at. If you like it, if it helped, please subscribe and like. I appreciate it, and have a great day.